what has beauty inside of it and is only $6.98 a quarter? This box. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So we've been talking about how shipping has been really slow lately, and this box was unfortunately caught up in all of the shipping delays. And this is mostly because the weather has just not been kind across anywhere in the country. I've been talking to you guys, it's been happening here, like everywhere shipping is behind due to the weather. So finally, my Walmart beauty box did arrive. This is my winter box. Don't be fooled by the pink box, it's not spring just yet, but my winter box finally showed up today. So we're gonna go ahead and do a full unboxing and check it all out. So just in case if you've not seen the Walmart beauty box before, this is a quarterly subscription box, and it happens to be the cheapest beauty box on the market. So if you are looking for a subscription box that features beauty, that doesn't break the bank, this would definitely be the box that I would go with. If you're also looking for one to get started with because you're just not sure where to go, this is a great one to start with as well. I always joke though that this was my very first subscription box. I mean, years ago before I even had this channel, I bought this box and now look at where I'm at today. So just keep in mind that you may start with this box, but then it could very easily spiral out of control afterwards. But this box retails for only $6.98 a quarter, and then you're gonna have a bunch of products inside of it. Now this one is the Winter 2024 box. I have variation 19, so you'll always be able to know by this sticker on the front of it. And then like I said, you're gonna have a variety of beauty products. Now, all of these products will be items that can be found in the Walmart beauty department, which is a very large beauty department. So there's a lot that could potentially be in here. For example, you could receive all of these products. So every single quarter, you'll receive a booklet with their highlighted products for the box. You could receive any of these items, but you could also receive none of these items. It's a very big mystery as to what you're going to receive, because right down here it says, don't see your product. Well, guess what? You may have something that wasn't featured on here. So you might have some, but then again, it could be something totally different. Whoa. Is this black nail polish? Shut up. I have black nail polish? Is this coming back? Well, here's my first item. I mean, you guys, like, here's this cute little pink box and you open it up and then here's this black hole sitting in there. Oh my gosh. So we do have a full-size nail polish. It is a quick drying nail polish and it's by a brand called Olive in June. My gosh, I cannot believe this is what we got. So ironically, this takes me back to being a teenager and I used to paint my nails black and everything. And ever since then, I just really haven't done it again. It's like once you do that once as part of like an era, you just kind of don't go backwards again. Like I look back and I thought I was so cool and I just wasn't. So I don't know that I can go back to black nail polish, but this is the first item inside of my Walmart beauty box. This item is not included. Actually, it is. I take it back. There were different shades available. Are you kidding me? So this was included. It is a full-size product, and it's $7.48 to purchase this. So good news is this one item just paid for the whole box. But they said there are different shades available. And look at this cute one right here. The pink with the gold sparkles, so adorable. And I got black. I wonder if I could exchange this. Do you think Walmart would let me do that? That if I went to the counter and said, hey, can I just swap it for a different color? Okay, moving on. The next item that I have in here is from e.l.f. Skin. This is their invisible sunscreen. It's sun touchable. Oh my gosh. I don't know why, but that is so funny. This looks like it's full size too. Sun protection plus blurring primer. Water resistant up to 80 minutes. What? My goodness. I love that. So this is gonna be a primer and sunscreen all in one. This product retails for $14. It is! We have a full-size product. You guys, you could go to Walmart right now and buy this for $14, or you get this box for $6.98. I mean, that's a steal. Lightweight sunscreen delivers protection and leaves a 0 white cast for all skin tones, non-greasy, fragrance-free. It's also a gel formula, so it doubles as a face primer as well. I mean, this is awesome. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. All right, I'll get over the black nail polish. I'm good. The next item that I have in here is the cutest little sample from Physicians Formula. This is their Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. So it is 2 ml of product. It's just their tiny little serum. This shade is Sun-Kissed Glow. And the idea with this serum is that it works as a skincare product, but it's also going to have that bronzing glow. So it's basically makeup and skincare all in one. So this is what it will look like here. Now, obviously this is not full size, but if you did want to buy the full size product, it does retail for $14.98. Next up is a product from CeraVe. This is their intensive moisturizing lotion. So we have 1 ounce. This is their travel size. We actually buy this in my house. So I have it on my husband's nightstand and it's got like a pump on it too, which is nice. And then we'll just put it on right before bed. He gets really dry hands in the wintertime. And so this is great because it's a really strong moisturizing lotion. So if you have really dry, cracked hands or like over the knuckles, this is a perfect product for that. So I do recommend this one, especially during winter. This retails for $16.97 for the full-size bottle, which is 12 ounces. But yeah, really great product. It's designed for dry to very dry skin. So I'm telling you, if you need something that's really strong, this will do it. We also have a sample in here from Paris Hilton. This is one of the fragrances. So this one, I think, is the fragrance just called Paris Hilton? Yeah, I think it is. It's a sparkling scent of juicy peach, jasmine, and sandalwood. Ooh, okay, that sounds good. I like peaches. I can't quite smell it. Okay, let me spritz this real quick. So this is just the sample size of 1.2 mil, but you can buy the full-size bottle at Walmart. So that is good. It is. It's fruity and sweet, but there is a touch of that floral note in there as well with the jasmine. It's actually really nice. Now this fragrance, if you were to buy it, retails for $26.97 at Walmart. She has very affordable fragrances. I don't know if you've seen that before, but I feel like all of her perfumes are very affordable. Last item that we have today is from Cetaphil. I swear I get one of these in every Walmart box. So this is their daily facial cleanser. They make great travel products. I mean, to actually take with you while you're traveling, it's a great size. They're easy to work with, so I do like that. But it does feature glycerin in here, vitamin B5 and B3, and it's designed for sensitive skin or combination to oily skin. So this one will be a cleanser that will remove any dirt, makeup, or debris. The full-size product will retail for that's not right. The full-size product, oh, it doesn't show it. Never mind. So this is not included in my bundle. So this is one of those mystery products that was just added to my box. So if you guys are interested in the Walmart Beauty Box, I highly recommend it. Usually this is how it goes every quarter, that we make back our money on this box. And you do have decent products in here. The black nail polish may not be for me, but I do think it's still a good product to have. So overall, I feel like this is one that I can always recommend because they always deliver. Now, just keep in mind that if you decide to order this box, they do have different variations. I have box number 19. So if you order, I don't know how many variations there are, but there's at least 19 of them. You could get any of those variations once you place your order. So I would assume it's going to be very similar to what I have, but just keep in mind that it might be a little bit different too. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!